So there was this order, with this executive order with respect to Paul Weiss, and there was no litigation. There are a lot of reports in the newspapers speculating about why, and fissures within Paul Weiss, with the corporate department allegedly being very much against that because they were concerned about the effect on the business of Paul Weiss if they were to have brought a lawsuit, and that they would lose clients. I should note that could be argued the other way, which is that their clients, I think, that in light of what Paul Weiss did, may leave Paul Weiss. Well, it will remain to be seen what happens. But essentially what happened is, by all accounts, Paul Weiss caved. They didn't go to court, and they had ample reason to go to court to have the order struck down in the same way Perkins Coie did. Instead, we don't know exactly what the agreement is. We only have reports in newspapers about what the agreement is, but here are two components. One, there is an agreement that Paul Weiss will spend $40 million on pro bono work for items and causes that are consistent with those of the Trump administration. That's a big deal. A law firm decides what pro bono work it wants to do and doesn't do. It's a private actor. It can decide to do all of its pro bono work for the Republican Party. It can decide to do all its pro bono work for sort of right to life or right to choose, either one. They're private law firms. They can, and often they do, take on pro bono work that represents the values of the firm.